Hello student, this is a video for your chapter What Makes Me Indian. This video is related to exercise of this chapter. You see here, this time we are at exercise number C. Question number 2. Number 1 has completed. Now number 2 is in the essay. Ruskin Bond says that the Indian is an indefinable phenomenon. Do you agree? We have written this answer. Now you see from exercise number D. Exercise number D also we have written question number 1, and now question number 2. Let's see question number 2. Why do Ruskin Bond's friends think he's a crazy? Why the friends of Ruskin Bond realize him crazy? You see, Ruskin Bond's friend think he's a crazy, foolish because he refused for well-paid job. He refused for well-paid job in Hong Kong, and he had no interest in foreign. So when he refused a very nice job in Hong Kong, and there was also nice salary, the friends understood that he's crazy. Okay, now number 3. What does Ruskin Bond wonder about people who live in India? Why he was in wonder about those people? You see, Ruskin Bond is wonder about the people who live in India and eager to do a job in foreign. They don't know the value of their own country and its beauty. They don't know the value of their own country and its beauty. Okay. So this is a answer for this question. Now come to see next question for exercise number E. You see here, comparable means. Answer this question. You have to answer this question. Exercise number E. Comparable means like or as good as. What is a comparable offer? Comparable offer means. You see, comparable offer means an opportunity to do work in firm. An opportunity to do work in firm. But spending the rest of life far away from palm-fringed coast or pine-clad mountains. Okay. He understands that I have comparable offer, nice opportunity for work, for job in foreign. But if I start my work there, definitely I would have to live there without Indian naturally scenery, and he is extremely attached to these scenes, so he was not ready to leave all these things. Now number 2 is typical means normal. or average son of the soil is a person who is a native of the place or belongs to the place. Why does Ruskin Bond not look like a typical son of the soil? Here we have to explain the real truth for this question. And you see here, he is an Anglo-Indian, and doesn't look like an Indian. Anglo-Indian इंडियन की तरह वो दिखते भी नहीं हैं, because he was too close to his fair, tall and blue-eyed grandfather. और इसलिए कि इसका रीज़न यही था कि जो उनके नॉर्डिक ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स थे, जो काफ़ी टॉल होते हैं, काफ़ी वाइट फेयर होते हैं, ब्लू आइड विद होते हैं, तो वो नॉर्डिक ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का जो जेनेटिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स था, जो फीचर्स था, वो सब रस्किन बॉन्ड में आ गए थे. सो रस्किन बॉन्ड डिडंट अपीयर एज एन इंडियन. Okay, so this was a great problem there. Now you see number 3, and it other countries, if other countries were a little more willing to open their door, how can a country open its door? How can a country open its door? Let's see. कैसे कोई देश दरवाज़ा खोलता है किसी के लिए? तो मतलब क्या हुआ? ये country can open the door. It means the particular country is going to provide a job opportunity. जब जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी कोई कंट्री किसी को प्रोवाइड करेगा, तब उसका मतलब तभी वो कंट्री उसके लिए डोर ओपन कर रहा है. ठीक है ना? So you have to write the same thing here. A country can open its door by giving job opportunities to the outsiders. Okay, a country can open its door by giving job opportunities to the outsider. It will be the answer for this question. Okay, now you see number 4. So terrifying in a crowd, so beautiful in himself. What do you think Ruskin Bond thinks so about India? Here are 2 questions. The second question is, do you think that the same individuals can be both beautiful and terrifying? You have to write answer for these 2 questions. Let's see. Number 4. I think so because Indians are kind-hearted. Because Indians are kind-hearted and don't deceive others. They are not cunning and get terrifying in a crowd and follow them blindly. These are the opinions of Ruskin Bonds for Indian people, that they are kind-hearted and they never deceive to others. They are also not very cunning for others, and they never get terrifying in a crowd and follow them blindly. So this is the answer for this question. Now the last year, do you think that the same individuals can be both beautiful and terrifying? Number 4 का being. The same individuals can be both beautiful and terrifying. कि जो सेम होते हैं इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं, क्या वो दोनों ब्यूटीफुल और टेरिफाइंग दोनों होते हैं? तो आंसर हम आप पिक कर देंगे, नो वी डोंट थिंक सो. वी डोंट थिंक सो दैट the same individual can be both beautiful and terrifying. So friends, this will be answer for the question exercise number 8. Now you have to write it in your HW and along with it a very simple exercise FG. This will be your homework. You have to do it in your book or CW. Okay, that's okay. Goodbye.